Hey everybody, it's Neil. I have the Hawks Vagina. I guess I'll show you what this is here as I open it up. And we have a lot of stuff on the table here. But we can see here, it is going to be a LED light. So it's gonna have, looks like that. So we get our LED controller, which RF wireless controller for it. We have our plug for getting it power, which we'll plug in here. There, we're ready for that. And then we have some mounting devices here to mount it up. We have our light here. I think that's gonna be it. Okay, yep, let's get this out of here. So is this art, is what it says. Let me move this over here right now. What fell? Nothing important. Okay, so here we go. I am gonna turn off this light here. There, now you guys can kind of see what it is here. So this is what it looks like here. So it's, looks like he's blowing a bubble. Let's check out some of these, the remote, and see what different things happen with the remote here. So RF wireless, does the remote do anything? Let's see, does it have a battery in it? It does not have a battery. So what do you think, what kind of battery? CR2025. Let's see if I have one of those. I do. So let's see how we put the battery in here. It looks like we just put it facing down into that little section there, and there. And I don't know, maybe the battery's not good. Let's see what I need to do to make this thing work. Adapter, light adjustable. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna assume, I guess my battery's just not good. This has been sitting in there for years, that battery. Don't know how to tell if it's good or not, but okay, but I guess the different options will be the different brightnesses and just turning the light on and off basically. So that's what we'll have as far as the options on there. Oh, you know what it is? This is the remote. I didn't plug this thing in. Haha. Look at that. This is going to be the receiver and the remote that goes in between here. So with that, we'll unplug that, plug this in, and plug it in the other side here. And now we should be using the remote. Yes, very good. Okay, so now we can change light. I don't know what light is, bright. So there, it makes it brighter, making it dimmer. I don't know if y'all can tell on a video, it's going dim, but it's pretty dim. We can just go right to 50%, right to 25, right to 100. And oh, that mode is nauseating. So that was mode plus. Slightly less nauseating. I guess there's just a bunch of different modes of flashingness. I guess you really want to get somebody's attention, you can use these different modes. You can slow them down. Oh, not too bad. But you get the idea of it. So that's just what these different modes do on there. And then turn it back on again. So it's really cool. And let's see what else we have here, the different mounting pieces here. So these are kind of cool. They're like these screw-on things, so you can have the, the art piece separated from the wall, so it'll kind of go there. Yeah. So then you have that on, and then you'll screw this in to the wall first. So you see this comes off. So with a screw, you'll go through there and screw it onto the wall, and then you can screw this in from the front. And it'll kind of keep it away from the wall so it has a little bit of distance. You get that idea there. So that's pretty cool. So you have 1, 2, 3, I guess there's 3 of those. There's 4 of these. Oh, 4, one on the bottom too. So pretty cool. So it makes it easy to do. I'm not gonna put it on the wall at the moment, but I'll probably put it up here shortly. But how cool is this? It looks really nice. And is this art? I would say, I don't know. I guess, maybe. So, thumbs up though, it looks really cool.